Like I said, commonly referred to as a transmitter bag, but you know what? You can fit anything in there. My little rubyx.world bag.
Yeah.
Like I said, commonly referred to as a transmitter bag, but you know what? You can fit anything in there. Let's have a look what's in Brett's bag this week.
What could possibly be in there?
I don't know. I'm not
Pretty
saying...
big bag. What? What's that?
Oh. Well, we're going to have to go to Overhead Town. You might
All sorts of bits.
You might be a bit tight like a tiger. So, in Brett's bag this week, Ninesteps brushes. Tell me about these.
These are the brand new sets.
You know a thing or two about brushes.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got two sets.
Two sets.
So this is the essential set.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's 3 different sizes in here. And these have got the natural pony hair bristles.
Excuse me?
Pony.
Puny?
Pony.
Pony.
Spelled P-O-N-Y.
Oh, pony. Like
yeah,
small horse.
Yeah, that's it.
Like small horse.
That's right.
Pony.
That's right, like Shetland. So there's 3 sizes. You got a pointed one.
Pointed one?
So for fine detail.
Which is O.
Yes. And then there's the medium flat and then a larger flat for doing large areas.
So that is... It's a synthetic pony.
It says synthetic here, but it's natural fiber.
Natural fiber pony.
Yep.
Natural fiber pony. There you go.
That's right.
Made
They're
in...
the kind we like.
These are made in Germany.
They are. Very high quality.
No sables were harmed.
No sables.
All got winter chills.
No, not at all. They all had all their fur still attached to them.
And this is part of the Ninesteps Essentials range.
Yes.
That is fantastic.
Yes.
I do love a Ninesteps.
But then there's the second set as well. So this is the premium set.
Premium.
So the premium set.
They're all covered.
Yes. And these are a very fine synthetic filament.
Oh, so these ones are synthetic.
Yes.
So these ones are pony.
Yep.
These ones are synthetic. There.
Yep. So being the finer synthetic, they have a stiffer bristle. Okay, so it gives you more control.
I do love a stiff bristle.
You do, don't you? I've seen. And then again, we've got a smaller flat. The flats are great because you can use both ends of them. So you got the broader end and then the narrow end.
Is it the same numbers? What's the smallest one? I can't see.
Smallest one here.
Yeah. Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it.
Let's open it.
Crack it open. We'll have a closer look.
You know, we should use these on our Stratus build.
Should we?
I think we should. Wow, the packaging's really nice.
All right, so what do you got there?
I have got the smallest one. I've got them mixed up now. Is an O.
Is an O. Okay,
and
so
we've got a
that's
1,
an O flat.
And we've got a 2.
Okay, so the O is a flat. So it's a narrow flat.
Narrow flat.
Yep. And then the 1 is a pointed.
Yep.
So for finer details. And then the 2 is a flat for broader areas.
I think that's the one that I would use most.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just slap it on real quick.
The 2 flat.
Yep. 2 flat.
2 flat, 2 furious.
Yep. So these are very traditional design. These are made in Germany as well.
Look at the finish.
Hmm.
They are awesome.
So if you're just beginning or you're just coming back to the hobby, these are a great base to start from.
Or replacing your crap ones.
Yeah, that's true.
Because they always wear and... No?
Yes, they do.
I think I would make it a thing where if I started a new model, I would have new brushes.
Well, there's some professionals that do that.
Well, I'm pretty professional.
Yep.
That is super cool.
They are the Ninesteps brushes.
Ninesteps. So we've got 2 sets. Are they available individually?
These ones are not.
No.
No.
So we've just got 2 sets.
Yep.
But that's so easy. It takes all the guesswork out of it.
Well, that's right.
I have major brush anxiety.
Do you?
Yeah, well, there's so many. There's 30 to choose from.
Yes.
I get inundated. Right.
So
if we take the choice out of the matter,
yes,
I'm a happy little camper.
Well, we took ages working out what sizes to put in these sets. And these are the most common that we thought would work in every circumstance. It's a good starting set.
We're still on the overhead. All right. What else is in Brett's bag?
You got
how many
lots of boxes.
Is it, can I say Gundam? Is it Gundam? What is it?
Most of it's Gundam.
Bandai.
Yep. So these are lucky dip boxes.
It's not a comically large bag. Like that is my hand.
Yes.
These are small little models.
That's right. These are lucky dip boxes.
Yep. Lucky dip boxes.
So this little one here, this is a standalone figure. So one box, you get one figure.
Yeah.
But these other 2 varieties, it's actually 2 boxes make a figure. Because this one here is a frame, and that's its armor. And the same with the larger box you got there too.
Hang on a second.
Have a closer look.
So you got frame and armor.
Yep. So these sets are going to come as a a full set. You get 2 boxes.
Oh,
in a
so
set.
you buy that like that?
Yep.
Okay.
It'll come as
So it's not
complete
really
thing.
lucky dip because you get that.
Well, it's going to be lucky dip because you don't know which Gundam army you're getting.
Okay, but you always get. So this one is obviously 46.
Yep.
You'll always get an F and an A.
Yes.
Is that yeah?
Well, the FA I think is for frame, maybe,
And armor.
and armor.
Yeah. So,
So you
F
get
for
a-
frame, A
and
for armor.
That's right.
Unlucky we got there.
Yeah,
We got
that
there.
was hard, wasn't it?
We did get there. But these ones, these
No,
little
that
ones.
that's a 2 box set as well. So that you got the frame,
Oh,
and then you got
this
the
is-
armor.
This is confusing. Confusing.
Confusing you.
All right. And especially the number. So that's a 7 and a 3. But it's the
Is
same
that
guy.
confusing you too?
Sort of.
Right.
I'm a bit triggered.
Okay.
I'm not sure what's what.
All right. So that's going to be a set as well. But this is a standalone figure there.
That's more my speed.
That's more your size.
Yeah. Let's make it easy. Grab one of these and have some fun. And what's it called?
What's that called?
What's the series called?
Gundam Converge.
Gundam Converge.
Yep.
And I'd like to think we're the only ones in Australia with this.
There's a good chance of it.
Can I say that?
Oh, you've said it already.
That's it.
Yep.
We are the only ones in Australia.
That's
Now
right.
that could be wrong, but
It doesn't matter. We said it.
we said it. That's
Yeah.
right. We're saying it.
Yep. We stand by it.
That is really cool. So that's what's in Brett's bag this week. Brett's Rubik's World bag.
A bit different, isn't it?
Let's go in the front one. Here we go. We're back. I do love my Rubik's bag. Have
These
you?
brushes are really
Yeah.
good too because you can keep using this as the your holder for them
What do you mean?
because they're resealable.
Or-
Yep.
Yeah.
That's right. So they don't get lost everywhere.
Oh,
How's that?
my transmitter thing's still in there.
Is it?
Yeah, my
Oh,
neck
well,
strap.
that was something else to surprise you with. Well, so that's Brett's bag.
Brett's bag.
Brett's bag of the week.
Brett's Rubik's World bag.